Hey, I'm Joel Eiffel, certified tube dude. Today we're talking about sanitary tack clamps. Let's get into it. The tack clamps have a body with two independent sides that lets you clamp one side while you fit the other. Next, we're gonna put it in the second tube and clamp that bad boy down. See, this is a feature that not every brand of tack clamps have. See, the body is a 100% CNC machine out of 17-4 stainless steel, and it's guaranteed not to scratch the outside of electropolish or sanitary tube. And that's why we call them sanitary tack clamps, but it's okay. You can use them with other types of tube too. You can use the thumb screws, or if you need a little extra juice, you can use the included Allen wrench. You also have a big, flat, perpendicular surface, good for putting in scribe lines or using a square or level. And there you go, big, large windows. You're all set up for tack welding. Nice, easy access to every single side.